wide body kit from Mercedes SL, cut into the bodywork and fair bit of effort, and then you've got to spray it and all the rest. So these are my stock AMG 18-inch wheels. Look at the size of this. We're gonna go 50 mil. These you bolt onto the hub, then you bolt the wheel onto those. It comes with the bolts and everything else. Regular bolts, bolt them on, that stays on your hub. 50 mil each side, that's 100 extra mil. Let's go and have a play. So the tyres aren't going to wear any more than they do. Sounds pretty good. So these are my stock AMG 18-inch wheels. They've got staggered setup, that comes as standard. They're 285 on a 35 profile 18-inch tyre, but you can see by comparison to the other side, which I've got my modified wheels on, and I always thought it just looked a little bit, well, just not fat enough at the back. Ideally, what I really wanted, wide body kit from Mercedes SL. I just can't bring myself to sort of cut into the bodywork, and it's a fair bit of effort, and then you've got to spray it and all the rest. So I'm going to compromise. I'm just going to get the back to stick out as much as I can. So I've always liked a rear which is big and wide, if you know what I mean.
Because she got a great ass!
I've been playing around with spaces all my life, and all the cars, Audis and Fiats and BMWs, you name it. And on my Mercedes, originally when I bought the car, I always thought it sat in a little bit too much at the back. So I've got wider wheels on it. And initially I had these little fellas, but we're not going to go there. Then I went with something like this, a little 15 milli, I think, if I remember rightly. 15 mil, but no. And actually on the car at the moment, I think I've got 25 mil. We're going to get rid of all of that because we're going to go with this. Look at the size of this. We're going to go 50 mil. These you bolt onto the hub, then you bolt the wheel onto those. It comes with the bolts and everything else. Regular bolts, bolt them on, that stays on your hub. 50 mil each side, that's 100 extra mil. Let's go and have a play. These are the 19 inches on the other side of the car, and you can see just how more further out it is to the fender, as you call it in America, or the wheel arch for me. These are 19 inch, they are slightly smaller in profile on the tyres, so they are 265 35 profile on your 19s, and these importantly have got a 25mm spacer, but want to go wider. I'm going to go for a 50mm spacer. That's double, so we're going to come out even further, I hope. You can see the difference with the slightly wider wheel now on the 19s and the 25mm spacer. Right, let's get this bad boy on. Importantly, the bore size is correct. That's that flanged area there, and it's got to be 66.6 for a Mercedes. Now I like to get at least sort of 6 or 7 turns, but I don't want to go too deep because it then catches the parking shoe spring. So let's count the turns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, pretty good. I think that'll be all right. I'll make sure that I'll spin the wheel first, just so that it's not catching that spring. Now in terms of camber, it doesn't get affected. It just throws the offset out, that's all. So the tyres aren't going to wear any more than they do, and because I've lowered the car, I do get a bit of wear on the inside of the tyres, but you know what, it looks good. Oh, such a child, right. So that's my 50mm hub-centric spacer bolted on. Now actually what I could do is just start the car, put it into drive, and hopefully it won't make any noises. Sounds pretty good. Just going to check the parking brake. And these are the bolts. These aren't Mercedes bolts, but these are the ones that are designed to go with the new hub-centric spacers. So I've taken it round the block. I mean, look how good it looks. So I've been for a drive. It's lovely. There's no difference. It's actually nicer on the corners, but I must admit there is a little bit of catching. So perhaps I should have gone to build less. I should have maybe gone for 40s or maybe 35s. But that's the price you pay. So on this particular setup with my 19-inch wheels, the tyres that I got being 265 by 35s, the 50 is just a bit too much. It's all right if you go in a straight line.
Sometimes